John Kavakas here with another edition of My Take, and today we're going to talk about day 2 of our epic road trip to Miami. Now, we went to the Goldberg Museum in the evening. I'll do another video for that. It'll be coming along very shortly. But in the morning, we went to the Dauer Museum of Classic Cars. Now, pulling up to the museum didn't look like a whole lot, and we wondered a little bit whether or not it was actually open. But once we walked through the door, it was an absolute wonderland of classic cars. It's just absolutely beautiful, run by Eddie Dauer. Really encyclopedic knowledge of the cars he had on, very carefully curated, and you'll get a chance to see them all right here. I'm going to give you a look at all these cars as we walk through there through Kelly's artistic eye. So as you can see, there were a lot of really nice cars, very carefully curated. But you know, the highlight of every one of these road trips that we do is just getting a chance to spend time together. And that's what we did. We had good fellowship, it's good food, we did some exciting things, and we had an experience we were able to share and bring back to you via a meeting like this. So that's a quick look at the Dauer Museum of Classic Cars. Curator Eddie is really a fascinating guy to talk to, a man of many talents, a man of many capabilities, a man of many accomplishments, and he just loves his cars, and he's done a fantastic job of assembling a collection of really interesting, beautifully restored cars, and they are all streetable. They're all drivable. He keeps them in running condition. So I love that. Okay, keep your eyes open. We're going to do Sergio Goldvarg's museum next, and I'm excited to be able to share that with you as well.